What? Oh. I know. You got to go potty? I know. Hold on. You got it. I know you got to have a bath. You got to have a bath. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah. I know we got to get your feces. We got to get your feces. I know. I got you. I know. I got you. I know. Here we go. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Get your tail. Get your everything. I know. Okay. Come on, you can do it. Okay, let's rinse. Oh, I know, that's nice. I know it's nice. I know you gotta go potty. Can you go potty? I know. Oh. Okay, now it's time for your cream and for your powder. You got to dry everything off. Yes, I know. Oh, you got pee. Okay, so we had to take a pee break. Sorry. Did you have some pee in there? Did we not get it all out? That's okay. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. Now let's get your powder. And we'll get you some powder on. I know. Okay. Here we go. There we go. I know. Yes. Okay. Let's see. Are we sticking? Is it sticking? Yeah. There we go. We got it. Oh, I know that hurts. I'm sorry. Oh, we missed a spot. I know. Okay, let's see the other side. Did we get the other side? No, we gotta get the other side. Oh, I know. There we go. Can you say, come look up here? Tell everybody. Say, I'm better. So I'm gonna eat and do my physical therapy now. Yes. Are you eating? Yeah. Okay, so part of her physical therapy is that she gets, oh, sorry, I can't, it's going to be hard to film without a tripod, and I just didn't set my tripod up, but I will next time, because I had set it up for the bath. I have put this around her, and I hold up her back end. Oh, hold on just a minute. I decided to give her a break because it is impossible for me to hold her up, hold the camera, and make sure her back legs are extended the whole time. Plus, she's very tired. This is her third day of physical therapy, and you can just tell she's just more tired. And the sores that she has, all of her belly sores have completely disappeared. I don't know if you noticed when I was putting the powder on. She has no more belly sores, which is wonderful. Really good. However, her tail, where her tail meets her back end, like underneath, and then on either side of her bottom hole, the sores are still there. And the one on her tail is not her. I can't get it any better. So my vet and I are brainstorming different things, because in order for that to heal, we're going to have to figure out how to keep it dry. And we're just not sure. I've tried a couple things that have not worked. I also have some stuff on order for a better system for her, but they won't be here till Monday. So no one worry, and nobody has to send anything unless you just really want to. But I've got a harness type thing for her back end on order. But what we do is I push these full, well, they're almost full, these heavy boxes together, and then I put her food up here to where she has to stand up, and these boxes are normally closer together, and then I hold her back end up, and she does have some muscle control in her back end, and she will be the one holding herself up sometimes, but she has spasms a lot in her back legs, so we're hoping that's just her healing. Is great if that's what it is, and she's doing good. She is doing so good, aren't you? Yes, she is. She, and she's having to be expressed about 50% of the time. And I actually prefer to express her, because when she goes on her own, it gets like all in her tail, and it doesn't help the sore situation. But she's doing great. Yeah, aren't you? Yes, you are. That's so yummy. You want me to turn it? She's doing really good. So nobody worry. We're on track. We've gotten rid of all the sores on her belly. We are working on her back muscle, leg strength. And she's in great spirits. She wants to play all the time. She has, I hate it, but it doesn't really seem to bother her. Are you done? Okay, we gotta go. She's done. We made it back. Yes, we made it back. Yes, we did. Huh. So, we had a little explore in the living room, which I couldn't film because I have to really watch her. Yes. And then we got another little rinse because she managed to get off the area I had set up for her. And then we got some cream. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. But she's very tired now, and she can see she's not even finishing her food. But it just takes a lot out of her because she's not used to it. Hey, she's not used to it. But she has a fresh, clean bed. Yes, and we washed her little animal that she loves. Yes, we did. Okay, can you say goodbye to everyone? Tell everybody you're doing good. I know everybody's been worried about you. Okay. Oh. I know you can't come out. Yeah. You cannot? Okay. Say bye. I thought I would film Amber and Snow. They were both over here playing. Because they are going in for their spay and neuter tomorrow. Everyone is healthy and big enough. And I don't think it will take long for their adoptions. I am pretty sure, because they'll go up for adoption the day after. Oh, it's a mess over there. They'll go up for adoption the day after. And so, oh, y'all come back over here. Look. And they won't be It won't take long. Yes, come on. Don't play with the broom. Oh. What are y'all doing? Here, come over here and play. Where is, hold on, let me get a toy. Oh. What do you think about this? Sometimes they're scared of the pole toys when they first come out. And I don't know that I've ever played with one before. Oh. And I'm really trying to get, from this video, I want to get a couple of good still shots. So that way I don't have to actually set up a photo. I'm being lazy. Lazy. Oh. Can you get it? No. They're not quite sure yet. Maybe if I just put it on the floor, it'll be better. Because Amber is not quite sure. Come over here. Hi. Oh, I forgot I was filming. I wasn't paying any attention. Oh. Okay, well, I just wanted to film them for a little bit. I'm actually going to have to set up some adoption pictures because they're not cooperating. But that's okay. They were kittens. We're kittens. Yeah. Okay, say hi. Hey. Hey. No? Okay. Hey. Amber. Amber's like, no. 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 Did you catch it? Did you get it? Oh, you're a good hunter. Oh, that's a good baby. Come here. Do you want to show her your belly? Amber likes belly rubs. Snow does not. Snow will claw you.